Yes. Dear Sadashiva participants from all over the world, now you are in the courtyard. Apply your Jnananjanam, have your enlightenment pill. I'll just introduce Shaktipada, the Shaktinipada for a few minutes. See, it's like a connecting with your core, with your being, with Sadashiva, wherever you may be, because he is not bound by any time or space. The moment you connect with him in Shaktinipada, not only the powers manifest, the state and space of Sadashiva starts manifesting in you all, in everyone. So today I wanted to start the Shaktipada. Shaktipada for Shaktipada means I wanted to initiate all of you to strengthen your ability to receive initiation. Strengthen your ability to have that intense connection. So pick up your Atmalinga or the enlightenment pill. Keep it on your navel. Sit with closed eyes. Close your eyes and sit. Have Jnananjana on your third eye. Enlightenment pill on your navel, because I'm going to work on your Manipuraga to awaken your ability to receive initiation. Rotate the camera, let people experience how the courtyard looks, what it is to be in the courtyard. All my buddies, my sparrows, my dove, show everyone. Yes, come on. Please, all of you settle down. Jnananjana on your third eye, enlightenment pill or Atmalinga on your navel. Sit up. Sadashiva declares in Agama, Atmalinga is the highest spiritual alchemy product. We have a Shastra Pramana. Get that. All of you listen. Atmalinga is the highest alchemy product. I'll read out the verse. Vidina pujita linge yenaham bhakti bhavatah tasmai dadami salokyamalobhya anyata janaihi yustaline yantrarajam vilikya pujayechamam tatpalam chakraraja koti jagunam bhavet. He who worships me in the king of yantras, Sri Chakra, inscribed on the linga, will attain to crores and crores of benefit of worshipping a Sri Chakra. The yantra, cosmic representation inscribed on the top of the linga, is the supreme ultimate yantra. Just a worship of that is tantamount to worshipping all the divine beings, devatas, because the linga is embodiment of three divinities who have emerged from it. This is from Tripura Rahasyam Mahatmyaka, and it's actually Shastra Pramana. Directly about the Atmalinga, the power of Atmalinga. Alright, put the Atmalinga on your navel and close your eyes. If you have enlightenment pill, that is also enough, because in enlightenment pill, Sri Chakra is there inside. So they can put their Atmalinga. Then just sit, it's okay. Close your eyes. Sit straight and close your eyes. Show participants, this is the golden Jnananjana box in which I keep my Jnananjana. If you are in courtyard, you will be blessed with Jnananjana directly from my personal box. So all the people in the courtyard get Jnananjana from that. All right. Now sit straight and close your eyes. We'll start the initiation. Shiva, 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 Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham, Sada Shivoham. Shreem, 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 Shreem.
Swami Sambandhaka Sishyacharya स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयम् तस्मै श्रीनित्यानन्दाय नम इदम् ॐ श्रीवरदमूर्तये श्रीवरदमूर्ति नमः श्रीवरदमूर्ति नमः श्रीवरदमूर्ति नमः श्रीवरदमूर्ति नमः बीजस्
Relax. For the sake of Sadashiva participants, today I wanted to strengthen the Manipuraga. Manipuraga is the foundation to establish the spiritual umbilical cord connection. So from tomorrow, I'll initiate you guys into various power manifestations. Blessings.